Gold IRA fees feel confusing because they come from 3 different places. Typical gold IRA costs aren't one fee, it's a stack. Account setup, yearly administration, storage, and the price you pay to buy and sell metal. Setup is often $50 to $300, then a custodian fee around $75 to $300, and storage about $100 to $300. That's how you get an all-in annual range of roughly $175 to $600. Then the dealer layer hits, premiums of 1% to 8% and a 1% to 3% bid-ask spread. The easiest way to judge typical is to convert fees into multi-year dollars because you don't pay them once. If annual fees run about $175 to $600, that's roughly by average to $3,000 over 5 years and $1,750 to $6,000 over 10 before any metal price movement. Watch whether fees are flat or asset-based because percentages rise as your account grows. Add the one-time $50 to $300 setup, plus small event fees, often $50 to $100. A lot of people miss that the biggest cost isn't always the IRA itself. It's the round-trip cost of getting into and out of the metal. Coins often carry 3% to 8% premiums, while common bars can be closer to 1% to 3%, and that difference is real money on day one. The bid-ask spread works 2 ways. You pay it when you buy, and you pay it again when you sell. Meanwhile, asset-based fees grow with you, while flat fees stay predictable. You can usually lower gold IRA costs without doing anything fancy. You just have to ask better questions than most sales calls invite. Start by asking for the full fee schedule in writing, not just a typical quote. Many investors prefer a flat annual custodian fee so costs don't quietly rise with account size. Storage choice matters too. Commingled storage is often cheaper than segregated. If your goal is lower friction, bars often beat coins, and you should confirm the buyback spread up front. Treat free setup skeptically because it often gets recouped elsewhere. Before you open anything, get a clean checklist that forces real numbers onto the table. Ask for the all-in annual number and whether any part is asset-based or fully flat. Confirm the storage type. Commingled versus segregated, so you're not surprised by the bill. Price the bid-ask spread like you would a commission, and ask for any exit or transfer fees up front. Finally, verify IRS-approved custody because a personal safe at home doesn't qualify for a gold IRA and can trigger taxes and penalties. On a 10-year hold, typical annual fees can range from about $1,950 to $6,000, plus dealer premiums and spreads. The smart investor matches you based on your investment size and goals, then shows the real dollar cost difference between providers over time. Free, takes about 3 minutes, and the link is in the description.